Hey, do you guys want to go swimming? There's some swimming pools over here. Oh. So what is this place?
It used to be an acid factory.
An acid factory?
Someone fell in one of the vats and died and they closed it down.
Nasty.
It's been closed since like 2002.
Someone fell in a vat. Oh, this looks cool. Are these swimming pools?
No,
I'm kidding, I'm kidding. Looks like there's still some chemicals in there. Hope we don't fucking drop into a vat of acid if these break. Because these are definitely, like, every one I step on, you can hear it. Oh!
If you want to go on the coasters,
Brian, step on that flank, bro. Oh my god. That's so bad. Dude, you almost broke that shit.
and then there's the rooftop access right here, bro.
I thought you were him. I'm like,
Yeah. See if you can break it. See if you can fall through. No, yeah, you wouldn't.
No, dude.
Dude, you wouldn't die if you worked.
there's a Home Depot usually within 5 miles, so you can get a cheap ladder. We still have cards for the ladder. I put a ladder in my Honda.
Look, I wonder if these were like chemicals.
I don't know, the other one has some crazy stuff in there. It's got hydrazine, oxide, and like a tank. Shook it. It's
Like this is like, looks like someone was making meth in here, dude. You got notes.
It's just crazy. They just shut it down and they just left everything like this.
Dude
That's
dies and it's over.
This one's still full of shit.
Nasty. Like, what's in there?
I don't know, whatever chemicals they were making.
I hope we're not breathing in any shit. We're breathing in like cancerous gas.
That's probably water. That probably rained in here.
It's acid. Yeah, you guys want to go swimming? I got a spot for you. Promise you it's not acid, okay? Look at R.I.P. Swampfoot. That's Brian. Brian Swampfoot. Come on, Butties. This place is pretty sick, though. Little acid factory. Let's go look how it looks like from the inside if it's gonna fall apart.
I never looked at it from the inside. I probably wouldn't want to.
okay.
Let's see how rusty it looks.
Yeah. The ladder that's where you're gonna be at, right there.
Oh, so that's what we're walking on?
Yeah. Just get yourself set and then just stand on the, like right here.
Yeah.
Stand right there and then just come around that and you'll be fine.
Oh yeah, cause that
You're
definitely
good.
can't step on that shit.
Yep, perfect. Right here is. I'm terrified of heights and I still do this shit. I don't know if that's of any satisfaction to you. Now put your feet sideways.
You don't, so don't step on anywhere
Step
up
right
there.
here. Just put your feet right on the corner right there. You'll be all right.
And then step over to this if you want. Oh yeah. That's not terrifying. Not terrifying at all. Almost want to like see what's up here. I should have watched my GoPro. I feel like it's gonna blow off my head. Let's see. Don't like this wind at all. Long way down. Oh, this is like really scary. This is like really scary. Carpeted. Why is this carpeted?
Chemicals?
Oh, like you have chemicals on you?
It's a chemical wash off. I don't know why it's carpeted though. But I know it's for like a chemical wash off type deal. But it still doesn't make sense why it's carpeted.
Why would it be carpeted? Does it absorb it or something?
No, yeah.